Bhagawad Gita, chapter 5, text 24. Yanta sukhanta ramas tan jyoti evaya sayogi pranirvanam brahma buddha digacchati. One whose happiness is within, who is active and rejoices within, and whose aim is inward is actually the perfect mystic. He is liberated in Supreme, and ultimately he attains the Supreme. So now we get most of the happiness, we get it outside. And outside means outside itself. So either from the ego, intellect, mind, physical body, or the senses, sense objects. So our happiness is coming outside. But problem with that happiness is that because the self is eternal, that happiness is temporary and it's imperfect. So that doesn't really never satisfy the soul, because we are looking for that eternal happiness which comes from the spiritual platform. And then that's why we are restless. We are keep on chasing the house, chasing the car, chasing the mobile phone, chasing the partner, everything, because we are not touch with ourselves. We are not touch with this eternal ananda, this eternal bliss of the self. Because our consciousness is direct away from the self. Chitta, the consciousness, the active quality of the self is directed away from the self. And that's why we are restless and confused. But if we direct back to the true source, which is the self, it's explained here that kind of person is yogi. And if you really know the self, we know that self is eternally connected to the Supreme. So to know the self is know also the self's eternal connection to the Supreme, because we are the effect of the Supreme. Supreme is the cause. It's like a sun and sun ray. So we are like a sun ray. And if you want to understand the sun ray, you have to trace it back to the sun. See the whole story. So when we reconnect to the self, that's reconnected to the self and reconnected to the source of the self, then all the problems of existence are solved at once. Bhagavad Gita.